Hello kids, welcome to the class. Yes, so today we are going to solve some of the questions from singular and plural. Okay, so already we have discussed this topic. So we can convert singular to plural. Singular means one, plural means many, right? Yes, and we can convert singular to plural. And we have so many rules also how to change singular to plural. So here some of the words are given and we have to change that to plural. Okay, so let's go through. So what is the first question? So write the plural for given words. Okay, some of the words are given and you have to change that into the plural form according to the rules we have studied. Now coming to the first one, these are the singulars and these are the plurals. Okay, so what is this? City. City is singular, so the plural form of city is, yes, as we know we have to cut the Y and we have to change that into IES. Okay, IES. So it can be CITIES. Okay. Now next one is what? Ox. So as I said you, for some of the words the spelling will completely change, right? So here ox, the plural form is oxen. Okay. Now next one is what here? Man. So again the same thing. So for some of the words when we are changing from singular to plural, the spelling will completely change, right? So man, men, M-E-N, M-A-N, man will become M-E-N. Now next one is what your fish. And for some of the words it will not change completely. Normally we say fishes, but the plural form of fish gets fish only. Okay, not fishes, fish. So this is what? Fish. Okay? Yes. And for sheep also the spelling will not change. For sheep also it will become sheep. The plural form is sheep. Okay. Now, mango, yes. If O ends with O, then what happens? We have to write ES there. We have to add ES to change singular to plural. Okay. So here mango, it will become mangoes. Okay. Yes. Next one, book. So book, books. Only we have to simply add S to change that. B-O-O-K-S. Books. Okay. Now next one is what? Your chief. Yes. We have discussed that if any particular word is ending with F, then what we have to do? We have to discard the F and we have to add V-E-S there. Okay. V-E-S there. So what is that? C-H-I-E-V-E-S. Chiefs. Okay. Wife, wives. Okay. And next is what here? Leaf, leaves. Okay. Similarly, chiefs, chiefs. Okay. Next one is what here? Tooth. Tooth is what here? Single tooth. Okay. The plural is set of teeth. Okay. So normally the people say that teeth, right? That is not correct. So teeth. Okay. So yes guys. So what is your next question? So here see what is the question? So rewrite the sentence by changing the noun from singular to plural. Okay. So here whatever the nouns are there in the sentence, we have to change that and we have to rewrite the sentence. Okay. So let's go for the first bit. What is the first bit? See here. The leaf fell from the tree. Okay. The leaf. Leaf is the noun. Underline it. Fell is not a noun, right? So this is a verb. From the tree. Tree is again a noun. So here leaf and tree both are in singular and we have to change that into plural and again we have to rewrite the sentence. So let's write. So what is the answer here? So the leaf will become leaves. Yes or no? According to our rule, if F is the ending letter, then we have to discard F and we have to add VES there, right? So leaves fell from the tree. So simply we have to add S to change that into plural. So we can write trees. Okay. So the leaf fell from the tree. So here after changing the particular nouns from singular to plural, the particular sentence will look like what? The leaves fell from the trees. Clear? So end with a full stop. Okay? Now next one is what here? The woman sat on the bench. Okay? So first you underline the nouns here, the woman and here bench. Both are nouns. Now we have to change this noun to plural. So let's write what it will be. The. So what is the plural form of woman? So man, men, M-E-N, right? So woman, woman. So E. So here A will become E. So the woman sat on the, so bench, the plural will be benches, right? So benches. So you have to add ES in the last to make that plural and end with a full stop. So what the sentence is? The woman sat on the benches. Okay? Now moving to the third example, what is that? So the thief had a knife. Okay, so next is what here? The thief had a knife. Now underline the nouns. What are that? Thief, thief is a noun, and knife, knife, both are nouns, right? So we have to change. Both are in singular. So after changing, so thief. So in the first one, leaf, leaves, right? So thief, thieves. So F will become VES, thieves. And similarly, knife, knives. Okay, wife, wives, wives. F will become VES. Similarly here, F will become VES. Okay. So what it will be? The thieves had. See here. And what about this article A? So again you are not going to use A here. Why? Because knife. So after becoming plural, you cannot use A because A is used only for your singulars. So because knife is plural, you cannot use here. So just discard it. Okay, later we will discuss about your articles A and the. Again we will discuss. So this is what? So discard A. So here knife will become knives. So what the sentence will look like? So the thieves had knives. Okay, clear this one?